Hello, this is Ceylan, your balance and wellness consultant. Today we're going to make an Ayurvedic porridge. Here is my Ayurvedic tea I prepared in the morning. The recipe is in my channel. And now we're going to make a delicious porridge in an Ayurvedic way. That means that the digestion of this porridge will be easier. You can easily metabolize it and have energy all day long. I have adjusted a few things from the classical porridge, so let's go and do it together. So, what you need for this porridge is a healthy oil like ghee. Ghee is wonderful, it helps digestion, it enhances digestive energy. So I prefer ghee, but you can use coconut oil, olive oil as you like. We have a spice mix. This is a sweet spice mix. Cinnamon, vanilla, cardamom, coriander, fennel, and rosebuds. So this is a very unique spice mix. If you don't have something like this, you can simply use whatever spice you like in a porridge, like cinnamon, like vanilla, or cardamom. And then we have our seeds. We have sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. I also have pine nuts. You can choose one of these or all of these as you like. The seeds are great. They are healthy oils as well, good protein. It enhances the nutritious value of this porridge. We're gonna sweeten it or taste it with coconut shreds. If you have fresh coconut, that would be great as well. Especially for summer and warm weather, it's good. In autumn and winter, we prefer not to use cooling ingredients like coconut. As for the grains, I have different options. I'm gonna use quinoa flakes for this porridge. It's just like the oat flakes. It's very light, it's very fluffy, it's very nutritious, a little bit higher protein level. But you can obviously use oat flakes, whole oats, or something interesting, you can use amaranth. Amaranth is again very high in protein, very nutritious and delicious grain. You can use millet, you can use buckwheat. You can sweeten your porridge with raisins or dates or apricots as you like. I am not going to add it because I don't want too much sweetness in my morning porridge. We have something not so much Ayurvedic. I use this organic vegan protein powder, which has only 3 ingredients, no other chemicals or additives, just to increase the protein content, the nutritious level of the porridge. Because if you make the porridge too sweet, too high in carbohydrate, during the day you might crave more sugar. So I'd like to make my porridge more protein and fat based rather than sweetener and carbohydrate based. We're gonna use coconut milk today. You can make your own almond milk, coconut milk, or you can simply do it with water as well. You can use any nuts you like. Today I have pecans. That can be almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts, whatever nuts you like. So, looks like Maxim needs an Ayurvedic porridge too. Right, Maxim? By the way, I got all these recipes in my detox cleanse recipe book, handbook guideline. You got many different varieties here like Ayurvedic porridge and other porridge types, other breakfast options. You can find all of them in my cleanse program. So let's start cooking. I'd like to start by toasting my nuts. You don't have to do this, but I like my nuts a little bit crunchy. So I'm gonna toast some pecans and some pine nuts. You can do it with almonds, hazelnuts, whatever you like. I'm going to do it with some pumpkin seeds as well, sunflower seeds. Now I'm starting my pan for medium-high heat, and I'm going to add half teaspoon of ghee, Sweet Masala mix. I swirl the spices, and after a minute or so, like a full tablespoon of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are super nutritious as well. Now, another minute like this. After a few minutes, I am going to add the quinoa flakes. You can simply put everything in here as well. In a medium heat, it's going to cook 5 more minutes and it will be all done. When the porridge is cooked, I'm gonna add these to my porridge. As you can see, it's a little bit watery, a little bit liquid, not too dense. If you like, you can drizzle some honey or date syrup as you like. Otherwise, it's all ready. So now you can enjoy a delicious, nutritious porridge, easy to digest, high in protein because of the seeds and the nuts and the protein powder we added. And we tasted it with some coconut shreds. Enjoy as a breakfast or as your first meal of the day. We also have some savory porridges with some vegetables, salty porridges, which I'm going to make another video. You can enjoy any type of the porridge during a cleanse program, which is coming up soon. Check out my website for all the details. Stay balanced and own your journey.